How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to do how to get rid of excess skin on your arms after weight loss tutorial. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999. So excess skin on your arms after weight loss, this is very, very common. Arms and stomach is very common for having excess skin, especially after big weight losses. So obviously the amount of excess skin you're gonna have is dependent on how much weight you have lost. If you only lost 10 or 20 pounds, chances are you're not gonna have that much excessive skin. If you lost 150 pounds, you're gonna have quite a bit of excessive skin. So for your arms, what you need to do is you need to start tightening up the arms. The best way of doing this is actually adding a little bit of muscle to that area. Now, when we are talking about arms, a lot of time that people have the excessive skin is usually down here. Usually hangs down here. This is the tricep area, you guys. These are the triceps, these are the biceps. Yes, people will have some excessive skin on the biceps, but most of it is going to the triceps. Your triceps are 2/3 of your arm. Your biceps are only 1/3. So it just makes more sense that the bigger the muscle group, the more the fat is going to be accumulated there. So the best way of getting rid of it, in my opinion, is just doing different types of push-ups, different variations of push-ups. The reason why I like push-ups is, one, they train the triceps, which is what we are trying to tighten. And the second one is that you don't need any equipment. You don't need all this equipment that I have behind me. All you need is a flat piece of ground that you can do your push-ups on. That's all you need. So that's what I recommend to do, you guys. Lots of push-ups, lots of different variations of the push-up, and just keep doing that. Do workouts, work out every other day, and you'll notice that the excessive skin does go away slowly, but it eventually does go away, depending how much excessive skin you have. I mean, if you're 600 pounds, you get down to 150, you're gonna need liposuction just because that's too much excessive skin. So just keep that in mind, you guys. Some variations of the push-ups that I really like is the diamond push-up, which just basically means you do a push-up like this, where you kind of make a diamond with your hand, and this puts a lot of stress on the triceps. It's mainly a tricep exercise. It's a diamond push-up, but it's mainly kind of like a close grip push-up. So it works the triceps a lot. Wide grip push-ups are good. Incline push-ups are very good to do. Dive bomb push-ups are good to go. Archer push-ups are good to do. There's lots of different push-ups that are really good. So end of video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already.